Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this tasty Nigerian fried rice, shall we? For the vegetables, we'll be using some carrots, some green beans, green bell pepper and red bell pepper, all properly washed and diced. I'll start by boiling the protein. For that, I am using some chicken. I'm going to season with some seasoning cubes, some salt, dried thyme, some curry powder, and lastly I'll be adding the onion. I'm going to cover and allow to cook. Do not add water. The chicken is going to sweat out its juices. That's what you're going to be using to cook the chicken until it is properly cooked. Remember to check it from time to time and then add some water when it is about drying up, alright? While we are at it, I proceed to cut some raw chicken that I set aside. I will be cutting it into small bite sizes. After that, I prepare to fry the cooked chicken. After that, I proceed to fry the chicken that I cut into small bite sizes. Once I'm done with that, I transfer the chicken broth into a pot. And I add some extra seasoning, some thyme, some curry powder, some fried rice spices, some pepper and mixed spices. I cover and allow to boil. And then I add my already washed rice and I stir properly and allow to cook until the rice becomes edible. So right now the rice is ready, so I'm going to proceed with prepping the vegetables. So I drizzle the pan with some oil, just enough to fry the vegetables, and then I add my vegetables and fry. While at it, remember not to fry for too long so that the vegetables retains its colors. And lastly, I add the bite-sized chicken and give it one final stir, and then I transfer the vegetables into the pot of rice and I stir properly to combine, and our fried rice is ready. So tell me, will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you get instant notification as soon as I drop a new video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.